Hi everyone! Today, we'll show how Astera Data Prep lets you do everything, from combining messy Excel files to running analysis, just by telling it what you want. No technical steps, no clicking around, just chat and get results. Let's imagine you're working in sales operations or analytics. Every month, you receive Excel files from different regions, like North and South. The files usually have the same kind of data, but the formatting isn't always consistent, especially the dates. For this demo, we'll be working with two datasets, one with sales data from the North region and the other from the South. Let's first start by importing both files. So, let's just ask the agent to bring them in for us. And that's it. No dragging or clicking, just a quick command, and the files are imported. Now that the files are imported, you probably want to see all the data together in one place. So, let's ask it to combine these files so you can see everything in one place. And just like that, the agent combines the rows into a single table. Alright, once everything is in one place, you can notice that the dates look messy. Some use slashes, some use dashes, and some even use different orderings. So let's just ask it to format the dates. Now let's say you want to learn something from this data. You might ask something like maybe to show you a summary of the total and average sales by the region and product. So you can see the data was grouped by region and product, and then calculated the total sales and the average sales for each combination. But of course, not everything sells well, and maybe we only want to focus on products that are doing reasonably okay. So, let's ask it to filter out anything that's not selling well. Oh yes, we will have to tell it a threshold too, so let's say anything under 3,000. And just like that, the underperformers are filtered out of our report. Now let's say you want to dig deeper, specifically, to find out the best and worst sales of each product. So, let's ask it to make a data set that shows where we're doing the best and worst for each product. And here we go, grouped data showing the best and worst sales per product. Once all that's done, you'd probably want to export the result so that you can share it with your team or upload to a dashboard. So, let's go ahead and first let's see the data sets we've created so far. Now let's ask it to generate separate Excel files for the third and fourth datasets. Let's give it the path where I want to save these files. And that's it. In just a few steps, using natural language and very minimal technical knowledge, we've combined messy inputs, cleaned up the formatting, ran some basic analysis, and filtered the data down to exactly what we care about.